Once you've created a form, you may want to make some changes to it. So in the form creation sheet, to update a question, you just need to put something, anything in this column. I usually put a Y. If you don't want a question to be changed, you can just leave that cell blank. Once it gets updated, it will be it'll have the word updated and the date and time it was last updated in there. So you can make any changes, and then you can tell it which rows to update, and then press the update add button here. So if I do that, you get a little the spinner telling you it's doing something. You can also set it to update when the form gets submitted. So you change that to yes, and update every hour. So you change that to yes. So it's up to you when you want to get things updated and what. The only warning for all this is that you can't change the question type. If you realise you've made a mistake with the question type and want it to be something else, what you need to do is insert a new row, recreate the question with the new question type, and run the procedure to create it, so you can update and add the form. If you're doing that, put a yes in the update column for the new question, because otherwise it won't be in sync. It'll go at the end of the form rather than in the position you want it.